This wig got badly damaged in the process of revamping for my client. If you'd like to see how I managed to fix this wig and bring it back to life, then stay tuned and keep watching. Let us hold fast to the confession of our hope without wavering, for he who promised is faithful. Hebrews 10 verse 23. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have another episode of Client's Wig Gone Bad, okay? So this wig was sent to me by my client to revamp for her, and in the process, it got badly damaged. If you know me very well, you know one of the things I love to do is to revamp my wigs using microwave because it's faster and it actually gets the job done. But if you bring me a badly damaged wig, then there is no way on earth it's going to revamp it. Like, it's literally going to destroy the wig some more. That is what I've discovered lately. If I had another closure for this wig, trust me, I would have just discarded this one and replaced it with another closure. But I didn't have another one, so I just had to make do, try and look for a way to fix it, because that wig was badly damaged, guys. It was terribly damaged. So the first thing I did was to go ahead and use my detangling spray and hot comb. That is one method that has worked for me over the years, when it comes to revamping. So I did that, but after I did it for a while, I got tired. My hands were hurting me, so I had to move over and start to, detangle the body of the wig. Now, one thing I've discovered is that most of these manufacturers, they make wigs in such a way that the bundles will be okay, but the closure of the frontal is usually used with made with another kind of hair, maybe like cheaper quality hair. And you find out that when you're in the process of revamping these wigs, the closures will get badly damaged, while the body of the wig, might still be okay. But in this case, unfortunately, both the closure and the bundles were not of good quality. So it was just a wrong move. I started to notice this hair had issues the minute I started to wash it. And I just felt that the texture was, kind of frizzy, but I just thought to myself that, no, it looks like good hair, so it shouldn't be that bad. But after I put it in the microwave and I brought it out, I just saw that everything was shrunken. So there was just nothing I could do at that point. I just had to wait for it to dry, and then I started to figure out what to do, because I couldn't call my customer to tell her that her wig was damaged. Although I told her eventually that it was poor quality hair, because I usually would revamp these wigs and use the microwave method, and it will work fantastically for me. Like, if you've seen my previous videos, you will see that it does work. So if the hair is good quality hair, then you should be able to pass the microwave or heat test. And if it's not good hair, then it's going to shrink under heat. So after a while, I couldn't, I had to go in with this detangling comb, because the detangling comb was my best bet to use to get out all the knots from the closure. So I just started to take it section by section to make sure that all the tangles got out of the wig. And that is what you see me doing here. I'm just brushing it out, the best way I can. Of course, there was a lot of shedding and even almost balding at some point, but the truth is, the more I combed out this hair, the more it started to get fuller and cover up. So I think what really happened was that because of the quality of the hair, everything got, like shrunk together. I don't know how to explain it, but you can just see me using the comb to practically loosen the knots there. So after a while, when I got a little bit of space of work done, I went in again with another hot comb to, really, really detangle and brush it out. And that is what really helped this wig, because, everything now looks like it is coming out finally, and I'm so happy. But if you look closely, you will also notice that the texture of this hair is not very good. If you pay very close attention, you will know that it's not giving like quality hair vibes. You can see that it is not good quality at all. So I just continued to detangle, and then I had to go in with my Hawaiian Silky at this point, because that was the last part of the section that I needed to work on. And I was just taking my time. It took me, I can't remember how long, guys, but I think it took about 2 days for me to completely finish this. And that was because I needed to hand over the wig back to my clients. But here we are. I am finally getting through with this closure. Guys, it was a hassle, but finally, by the grace of God, I finally finished detangling this wig, guys. I am so happy, so excited. So I decided to go in sections to rebrush it. I also decided to use this shears to create invisible cuts in this wig, partly because doing that will help to prevent the wig from tangling ever again. This hack is also very good if you wear synthetic wigs. Using the shear scissors to create sections like cuts in between your synthetic wigs would take off all those bulky hair that causes your hair to tangle, and then it will leave it silky and straight. So if you're a synthetic wig wearer, that is a good hack for you. But please bear in mind that doing this is also going to reduce the volume of the wig. So your wig is not going to be as bulky as it is anymore, but at least you will have a frizzy or tangling free wig. As you can see, there's barely any hair left on that wig that is shedding because I've gotten rid of everything by properly combing it. So right now what I'm going to do is to go ahead and start to style this wig. You guys, it wasn't easy, but I'm grateful to God I was able to do it. And this is all the hair that we lost from this wig, guys. It is really, really bad. You can see the quality of this hair is no good. So now I'm going in with my curl free spray on this wig. I'm going to leave all the details of the product I use in the description bar below, box below, so be sure to check that out. I'm also just going back in with the dryer. It comes with a comb, so I'm just combing it through for that product to really, really penetrate into the wig. I'll also be going in with bio silk just to give that extra silkiness to this wig, because it has been through a lot and needs a lot of conditioning because it is super, super dry. So that's what I'm doing here. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead and put back the waves, body waves into this gorgeous wig. So I'm sectioning the wig over there, ready to coil it. For me to be able to work very fast and effectively, I need to section it so that that's what you do when you're coiling your wig anyways. So that's what I'm doing over there. But I'm just going to keep quiet now and let you guys just watch me finish styling this wig, and then I'll be back when the final result is ready. Now I'm going in with mascara at the lace part of this wig. We've lost a good number of strands of hair on this wig, so in order to create an illusion of hair on the closure, I'm just using that mascara to create the illusion, and then I'm locking it in with the Got2b glued blasting spray. We finished coiling this wig, as you already saw, and now I'm just taking out the pins, and you can see that the curls are already looking luscious, and the wig looks like it's brand new. Not as full as it was when it came in, but at least it's better than not even having any wig to present to my clients. Guys, I don't know, revamping can be a hassle, but I love it so much, and I always like to just take up a good challenge. This wig still turned out to be beautiful, and it looked healthy, and good enough for my client to be able to wear to our event. She understood that, it was bad quality hair that was sold to her, and this is the final outcome, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Did I do a good job? Do you have any contributions or suggestions of what could have been done, differently? And if you learned one or two things from this video as well, let me know in the comment section. And you guys, look forward to other wig revamp videos and beauty and style content from me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and see you in some other videos. Bye guys. Toodles.